Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin' here. I have box number 2 of my 5 box that I got with no shipping. They were running a no shipping deal if you bought 5. So this is my second box. It's my heaviest box. It's 47 pounds, but it's got books and general merchandise and commercial equipment. It is $82 is what I paid for this one box. And it's got 83 items in it. So basically a little bit less than $1 a piece. Let's see what I got and see how much money I can make. That one open there. There we go. I'm hoping it doesn't rain on me. It's looking kind of cloudy. All right. It looks like a lot of these boxes that they put on special are after Christmas stuff, but you can't find lights like this in the stores anymore. These are red ones, a bunch of red Philips ones, and for whatever reason, even though it's after Christmas, I can still make a ton of money on these Christmas lights. Got white ones here, red ones, more red ones, white. Now this box is all messed up, so I obviously won't sell that one online, but I can save it for next year, use it for myself. It probably works just fine. More red ones, more red ones, white, white. Let's see what else. White ones. Just a bucket load of these. And so this is going to make it so fast to post because I've got so many of the same kind of lights. Oh, here's some neat ones. Purple sphere lights. If you want to zoom in on those are really cool looking. Got some more of the red and white ones that I'm getting out, but if you take a gander at those purple ones, those are nifty. Some more white ones. Let's see. These are clear ones. I'll put these purple ones here. Let's see, one more box, I think, of red. So I've got, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 red ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 white ones, and then clear and purple. I think it might be raining a smidge on me. A giant stocking. I've got some napkins, red ones, a bucket load of these. Tons and tons of napkins. This one is an oblong tablecloth that actually matches the napkins, which is nice because if I find it in a set, then I can sell it that way. Here's a white tablecloth. Some more red napkins. Some more red napkins. Another tablecloth. Some more red napkins. Some more red napkins. Oh, here's some more lights. Colored ones. Then I've got some more of these white oblong tablecloths. This one's got a zigzag pattern. This one kind of has a star pattern on them, but they're basically solid. Another star pattern. So I got 3 of those. Here's one with snowflakes on it. Here's a box of clear. And then a cute little ornament. That's cute. Let's see what else. All right, I'm not going to take all these out, but I will tip the box and show you what's in it. Basically a bunch of gift bows. So less than $1 a piece, I know for sure I can make my money up on the tablecloths. If they're not on Amazon, that might be something I'd be willing to create a listing for just simply because I have so many of them. The same thing with the light bulbs, but I think I can get good money because even though it's past Christmas, I can still make good money on these Christmas lights because you can't find them in the stores right now, and a lot of people use them to decorate with their decks. So I think this is going to be a great box. So just because it's not the season, don't discount it. You may be able to make money on some of these things. These red ones are so generic. They're not Christmassy except for this snowflake one. You can use them any time of the year. Right now, it's pretty close to Valentine's Day. I could have used them for Valentine's Day. So I think this is a great box, and I think it's going to be a good profit. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.